Hey guys, Jordan with nuCamp here. Today we're going to be going over how to change a tire on your trailer. We'll be demonstrating this on a tag. Let's get started.
For safety, always use the wheel chocks to stabilize the tires you're not changing. Next, lower your stabilizers to help keep the camper steady while you work. Use a torque wrench to loosen the lug nuts before lifting the camper. Now, place the jack in a stable position, preferably on the frame of the trailer to avoid damage. Carefully raise the camper until the tire is off the ground. Once the trailer is lifted, adjust the stabilizers so they are firmly touching the ground for added stability. Now, fully loosen and remove the lug nuts using your torque wrench. Once all the lug nuts are removed, take off the damaged tire and replace it with a new one. To ensure the wheel is properly secured to the hub, always start by hand threading the lug nuts to prevent cross-threading. Then, follow the correct tightening sequence as shown on the screen or in your nuCamp manual. Use your torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts in the proper sequence. Once the lug nuts are snug, raise the stabilizers and carefully lower the tire to the ground. Now, perform a final round of torquing to the recommended setting. For the 2025 Tag XL, if equipped with 13-inch wheels, the correct torque is 100 to 120 foot-pounds. Using a calibrated torque ensures accuracy. When you reach the proper torque, you'll hear a clicking noise from the wrench. Once all the lug nuts are tightened to spec, you're ready to go. Remember, after remounting the tire, recheck and retorque the lug nuts at 10 miles, 25 miles, and 50 miles to ensure they remain secure. It's also a good habit to check your lug nut torque before every trip.
Thanks for watching. If you do have any further questions, you can reach out to us by email at tech@nucamprv.com.